As you may know if you subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube, I quite enjoy looking at the accessory world for smartphones. And when I saw this plastic wood case for the Google Pixel 6 Pro on AliExpress, and considering how affordable it was, I didn't think twice before clicking that buy button on AliExpress. So this is an AIORIA case for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Let's have a look at it. Usual simple packaging and a styrofoam insert to keep the case in good shape. The case is hard plastic on the inside and it has all the cutouts, and on the back it's a sort of soft material which is made to look like wood but is in fact plastic. And I've decided to call this Plood plastic wood. So Plood case, let's put the Google Pixel 6 Pro into the case and see how it fits. And I have to say it fits quite snugly. It has a good fit, there's no looseness to it, and this case doesn't add much bulk to the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So the back feels soft, it's almost rubbery, whereas the rest of the case, apart from the sides, is a bit more rigid. So this is a soft touch plastic wood or Plood case, which seems to do the job. Now the camera module seems to be well protected. The curved edges have a bit of protection there, and there's a minor lip that lifts up the camera module. So if you were to put it down on a surface like this, you're less likely to damage that lovely camera module that houses all the excellent cameras on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Right then, let's look at the other cutouts. At the top, we have a cutout for the microphone. At the bottom, we have a cutout for the symmetric speaker and microphone, grills at the side, and the USB Type-C port. On the left, no cutouts whatsoever. And on the right, we have obviously our buttons, which we'll look into in a second. And we have a little cutout for a lanyard loop. So you can have this case on a wrist strap or a lanyard if you wish to. On the front, there's a little bit of a raising of the screen at the top and at the bottom. But because it's the curved screen on the Google Pixel 6 Pro, you won't get that for the sides. So we always recommend, if you're doing this, it's probably best to have a screen protector if you're putting your phone flat down on a surface. And we don't recommend doing that even then. There's very high risk of smashing curved screens in these situations. Let's have a look at the buttons. So one of the key things in a case is how easy and how simple does it make pressing buttons. So power on and off works great. The power button has no issues and no stickiness to it. Let's unlock the Google Pixel 6 Pro with a fingerprint scanner and check the volume rocker. It works, no stickiness whatsoever. So good case all round. It feels good. It feels as if it gives it some good protection on the corners and at the top and bottom. And because of the curved sides of the Google Pixel 6 Pro, I can't say the same for the sides. But if this is the phone you have and you want to keep it relatively well protected, this might be the way to go. As usual, I will put a link in the description to where you can purchase this case on AliExpress. If you do so, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks because that's an affiliate link. And if you'd like to ask more about this AIORIA case for the Google Pixel 6 Pro, leave us a comment in the section below. For now, thank you for watching. If you don't already subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks, please do so. And have that notification bell turned on for when we publish our upcoming videos, including the long-term review of the Google Pixel 6 Pro. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.